Hi there, I'm Julian, and we're going to take a look at the admin interface of Teambridge. Our composable platform is built for you and by you, enabling you to create a completely custom but guided solution, all without needing a single line of code. Let's take a look around. So if the Teambridge app is for your staffable workers, then, well, the administrative console is for your administrative team. Think of it as your company's control center. This is where you set up Teambridge to perfectly fit your business's needs. And setting up is easy. It starts with the effortless setup of your Teambridge interface with drag and drop functionality and pre-built templates. You can have essential pages, views, and functionality up and running in minutes. And the homepage we're on at the moment is where you choose what key information you want readily available. For example, a payroll snapshot, looking into today's shifts, jobs, and placements, as well as any other alerts on late clock-ins, missed shifts, and how well our powerful automations are doing in saving us time. On the left, you'll find customizable pages. So in this example, there are unique pages for different locations, facilities, or internal teams. And as I said, you can choose from pre-built templates or start completely from scratch to create a workspace that meets your specific needs. Let's do just that and build out a page. We'll start by giving it a name. And now we'll add exactly what we need from templates, lists, or complete blank canvases. Let's quickly fill my users. We'll see all users to get an idea as to who is in the system. And now what I need to do is also add a schedule so that everyone with the Teambridge application can start actually picking up shifts. And you can see that I can do drag and drop. I can make inline edits and changes as I go around and review all the relevant information for each of the shifts and people doing them. In the bottom left, clicking your user profile gets quick access to key sections like settings, automations, forms, and tasks, keeping you in complete control at all times, as well as the ability to both communicate, review goals, and manage and download your files. So with everything in one place, powerful automations, and a streamlined experience for your app users, your team can spend the time given back to scale and grow your business with Teambridge, leading to faster processes, a single source of truth, and a proactive administration team. So that's a quick overview of Teambridge's admin interface, your centralized control center for flexible, custom, and automated workforce management. Whether you're addressing a countrywide staffing need or tailoring operations for unique business requirements, Teambridge adapts and scales with you. If you're ready to give your organization a competitive edge, book a demo today and discover the future of workforce management.